When setting up the Rockler jig for use with your rail and stile bits, put the stock on the jig and set the bit height to it then. We're using setup blocks here, which is an easier way yet, because we can adjust the bit height so it passes through the block without touching it. That should mean it's exactly centered. We set the fence normally. In this case we have a bearing on the bit, so I set the fence so it's just flush with the bearing. To mount the stock in the Rockler jig, we put the jig against the fence, hold the stock in flush against the fence, bring the front block up, tighten that down, and then engage the lever lock, and it's ready to go. With everything set up, all that's left is to cut the joints. You notice you have hardly any blowout on the other end. It's mainly the stock from the inside folded over. It'll sand off perfectly flush.